Defrost wasn't working on this 2005 Ford Focus, so it's getting a new selector switch. First, pull off the plastic trim around the stereo. Be gentle with it. Now pull out the stereo very carefully, just wiggle it out. Now push in the plug on the back of the stereo, push in that tab and it'll pull out. Might need a trim tool to take this off, but you need to take off that plastic dash unit in the center of the vehicle. It just pops out. And disconnect the climate control switch there. It's got one Phillips screw. Just take that out and then pull out the switch and it'll come out easily from the back. Now this is under the driver's side of the dashboard. This is the other end of the switch. It's got 3 clips around it. You can just push with your fingers and pry it out and pull it straight out of there. Comes out easy. And then pull the whole thing out from the top. Now that's the old unit. Here's the new unit. Push it into the dash bezel, twist it, and install that Phillips head screw. Don't forget to plug it back in. Make sure you push it till it clicks. Now just pop that back in. And put the knob back on. Now, under the driver's side of the dash again, get that popped in. Put the stereo back in, and it's good to go now. Defrost should work just fine.